Hi, I'm Brian Varnadore of Pyrotechnico. I'm the lead technician here with Lake City Fireworks Display for 2011. With me I have a crew of 5 other folks. Going to be doing your display tonight. Have several different shells, several different colors and patterns. Look for the smiley faces, look for anything else that you might see out of the ordinary in this show. We have several different shells here, 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch shells. Everything out here on this field is done electrically. There won't be anybody in the field for safety purposes. We came in Sunday morning, set up all the racks and everything. We came back last night at midnight and began to wire the show, dropping all of our shells in the show. And it takes us about 8.5 hours to set everything up. And we come back in the afternoon and check all of our continuity and everything, make sure we've got electricity flowing everywhere we need it, and be prepared for the show tonight. It will be fired from one central location. One person pressing the button for every shell that comes up. This is our firing console. It's a 75-shot console. Each button is a shot. Our cables come in from the field. We plug them in 1 through 75. Depending on which size shell I want to go, the other half of our console has switches. If I wanted a 3-inch shell, merely switch that one up and hit the shot, that shell is going up. The system's a 48-volt system or 12-volt system. Operate either way. Pretty much a die-hard system in the fireworks industry. This thing's been around forever. Just an outstanding system to use.
How's everybody in Lake City tonight? Happy 4th of July. The Lake City Reporter is once again very honored for the 8th year to be the title sponsor of this fine community event, but we couldn't do this alone. We want to thank the county, we want to thank the city, all the employees that helped make this happen, plus all our business community. This event is a perfect example of how business and government work together to do something really nice for our community. But it wouldn't happen if all of you didn't show up.